A lot of PlayStation players are asking if Subnautica 2 is coming to PS5, and here's what you need to know. Right now, Subnautica 2 is not available on PlayStation 5. The game is launching first in early access, which is only available on Xbox and PC. According to the developers, the game could stay in early access for around 2 to 3 years. That means the PS5 version probably won't release until the full 1.0 version is finished. This is actually similar to the first Subnautica. That game entered early access years before it finally launched on PlayStation consoles. So if everything goes as expected, PS5 players may have to wait until around 2028 or 29 before Subnautica 2 officially arrives on PlayStation. For now, if you want to play the game early, you'll need a PC or Xbox. The good news is the developers do plan to bring the game to consoles later, so PS5 version is still expected in the future. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more Subnautica 2 updates.